Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this right here. It is a smart ear stick. Let's go ahead and get right into this. So it does come with a user manual right there. And then this is the product itself. As you can see, it comes with a charger. It comes with some different little ear pieces right here. It comes with some little tweezers or fingernail clippers. They actually feel like they're really good quality, which is nice. Has that little sheath that it can go in. And then on this side of it, it actually has like a little file right here, which is actually nice because just opening my nails with that. So that's pretty cool that it came with that. That's like really random and an ear thing. And then it has this right here, which you connect to your phone. So I'm gonna need a phone real quick, and then I'm gonna go ahead and connect it, and then I'm gonna show you guys how to use it. As you can see, it does have a light, and it already has a piece on it, so it's gonna be really easy to use. I actually like using these in my kid. One of my daughters, her ears get so clogged with earwax. These things are great to kind of keep the earwax down so that it doesn't get to the point to actually remove her earwax when it gets so backed up that I can't get it out. I actually use a water flosser, believe it or not, and it works amazing because I thought I was gonna have to take her to the doctor, but she's really scared to go. So I removed it myself, and they were huge. It was crazy. But let's go ahead and connect this to, I have to use my husband's phone, and then I'm gonna show you how it works. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by downloading the app. Okay, so you wanna go to your picture, you wanna scan this paper, it's going to bring it up. You just push on that. It's going to take you to the app store you get. And then it's going to start downloading it. You open, agree to the terms, don't allow, okay, search, okay. So I need to connect it. So you go to Wi-Fi and stuff. So now it's connected. Okay, so once you download it to your app, it'll automatically turn on, and then I'm going to show you like what the inside of my ears look like. So this is kind of this actually looks really dirty right there. I've actually been sick, so my ears are probably really dirty. Okay, so this is this way. I'm just trying to get me a grip. Like through this area right here, it's a little dirty. So you can see I got some stuff off my ear. Super gross. Let me get a napkin. You can see. Look. Now let's see the other ear, what it looks like. I feel like I got a little more control. So you can kind of see my eardrum way back there. See, that's my eardrum. I don't want to get too close to it because I don't want to hurt it. This ear is not as bad. Well, I say that, but then so you can see that's what it is. That is so gross. I always get people asking me to do other things with these. So let's look at like your hair. Let's see the hair. Let me see. Can't really see anything. If you like that, you can. So as you can see, that's like my hair follicles. Let me take off this pokey thing. So you just can screw this off. You see it comes directly off. So you can kind of just see. I actually like using these for plants too. So let's see. I'm going to try to go as far back out. So as you can see, that's my eardrum. Trying to get you guys a good view. So that's what your eardrum looks like. Trippy, right? My ears are actually pretty clean in the back part, just not up close. So pretty cool, very fun to use. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, God bless.